Audio Jungle.
Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself. I am Gloria and this is Isla. Today we are going to make these boxes using the napkin technique.
To decorate the box, we need
A cardboard box, a color paint,
white paint, glue and lacquer,
paper napkins, paper to cover the table,
a cutter and a brush.
First we use a colored paint to paint the inner part of the box and the cover.
Then, with the white paint, we paint the outer part of the box and the cover, where we will glue the napkins.
We have to wait until the white paint is dry and then we can start.
First of all, we have to separate the two layers of the napkins.
Then we put the layer we will use on the table.
We start painting the box with the glue and we stick the napkin on it.
We do the same with all the sides and with the cover of the box.
When we finish, we paint all the box and the cover with the glue.
When the glue is dry, we cut the parts we don't need with a cutter.
Be careful with your fingers. If you want a shiny effect, you can paint the box with the glue once again.